How to add a multiple wall clock widget to standby screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to your standby screen. So make sure your phone is already in standby mode. Make sure it is plugged into a charger and have your phone rotate in landscape mode. That will allow your phone to turn on standby screen. And once you are in a standby screen, touch and hold on the left widget or the right widget. If you are not on the widget screen, make sure you swipe across like this to the left. Once you go to the left screen page, this will be your widget screen. So touch and hold on the widget that you want to change. So you got the left widget and the right widget. Here in this video, we will change the left widget. Next, tap on the add button at the top. Then we go down and tap on clock. And on the right hand side panel, swipe across until you can see where it said world clock, and then tap on add widget. From here you can tap on the clock to add in the cities or remove it. So to remove a city, you can tap on that city and then you can replace it with another city. So here, let's say if you want to replace Tokyo, Japan, you tap on that and then we'll replace it with a different city. So here we just choose something random. So perhaps Wellington, New Zealand. Okay, so we have changed that to New Zealand, Wellington. And after that, tap outside the box to save the changes. And that is how you can add in the multiple wall clock widget to your standby mode screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.